This morning in Legal Logic, get your spy gear ready. We are talking about wiretapping. And here this morning to break it all down for us is attorney Brian Cunha. Welcome back.
Good morning, Michaela.
Nice to see you.
How are you?
We've been hearing a lot about wiretapping, obviously political, but even some celebrities blaming one another for recording certain conversations.
Right.
So let's start there. Is it legal to tape record a phone conversation that you're having with someone?
It depends. There's two different types of wiretaps depending on whether it's federal or state. There's a federal wiretap statute, and then there are state wiretap statutes. Rhode Island has a wiretap statute. Massachusetts has a wiretap statute.
And are they different?
They are.
Okay.
They're very different. So let's talk about the state wiretap statutes in the states, because that's, I think, more important for people to know what they can and can't do as opposed to the Trump stuff. When we know all about that stuff, we can watch TV. But the state wiretap statutes are very different in Mass and Rhode Island. In Massachusetts, it is absolutely illegal. In fact, it's a felony to tape record, even on your cell phone, another person without their consent.
Wow.
It's a secret taping. It's illegal. It's a felony. 5 years in prison.
Wow.
Big deal.
Big offense, yeah.
Big offense. In Rhode Island, you can record someone without their permission on your cell phone or through an electronic device without their permission or without their consent. Completely legal in Rhode Island. Massachusetts probably has the most restrictive wiretap or taping law in the country. There's only 11 states, Massachusetts being one of them, that allow it. New Hampshire's another one. Rhode Island, completely different.
Wow.
So if you get on the phone with your boyfriend or your girlfriend and you don't like what they're saying, you can't do it in Massachusetts, you can do it in Rhode Island. It's very different.
Now, why would anyone ever give permission for a conversation to be recorded? Because you're saying you can't record it unless you ask them. Why would someone want to do that?
You may not have to give permission, you just have to tell them. You have to say, I'm recording this conversation. Okay?
Interesting.
Yeah, if you do that in Massachusetts, say, oh, by the way, I've got my cell phone on and I'm recording this. That's okay, because then you know what's going on. It's not secret anymore, okay?
Wow.
Or, for example, what is legal, an exception, is let's assume that there's police are involved in an arrest, and you get your cell phone out and you're there and you're recording it. The police are watching you do it. Completely legal. The police can't stop you from doing that, both in Massachusetts and Rhode Island. Why is that in Massachusetts? Because it's not secret. The police are watching you.
Right.
On the other hand, if there's an arrest going on and you've got the thing and you're hiding it behind your arm and the police aren't aware of it, illegal. So the key is it secret or is it open? And is it consensual because it's not secret anymore? So that's the difference.
Is there any punishment, let's say in Rhode Island, where you say it is allowable, you can record.
Yep.
Is there any punishment, though, that could come from that?
Nope.
Really?
Nope. You can record as long as you're doing it, you're consenting to it. What you can't do is someone else is recording something and you are receiving the information. Then you're not consenting to it. So someone else is recording a conversation with you and I'm getting the information. That's not legal. But if I'm doing it with a conversation, you and I, Michaela, having a conversation. I've got my cell phone in my pocket, and you're talking to me. Completely legal in Rhode Island.
Oh gosh. Well, if you're recording this, hi Gatsby, your little dog.
Gatsby.
We'll say hi to him when you play that back later. Brian, thank you so much.
Thanks,
really helpful information. And like you said, kind of depends on where you live. If you'd like to get even more free legal advice from Brian Cunha and Associates, head on over to rhodeshow.com and click on the Legal Logic channel.